Guys, welcome to the MkVixMaster's channel. Please like, subscribe and share the video with others. Yes guys, as we know, we trading price action. So let's take a look at German 30. At the moment I'm at the higher time frame. So this video I want to make it about the time frames, guys. I want to make it as a lesson for time frame trading. So what you have to do is always figure out whether you are an intraday trader, you are a swing trader, or you are a position trader or a scalper. So with that said, basically what I'm trying to teach you here is that you look at the time frame that you will always place your orders on, because placing orders on 15 minutes is not the same as placing trades on 1 hour. So your trend lines on 1 hour might not be the same trend lines on a lower time frame as you look at them, because when you put your lines like here, when you put your lines, you can see that my lines start from the body, not from the wick. So if I were to go to a lower time frame, this line here will not be on the body, or this line here will not be on the body. It will be across other bodies because of it's at the lower time frame. So it's vital to know, it's good to set the supply and demand lines on the higher time frame, but when you go to a lower time frame, you put your trend lines and pattern lines wherever you are going to place your trade. So with that said, let me go to, okay, we're gonna go step by step. Now we're going to 1 hour to look for possibilities, since well we know that market is at an area of value, because this is an area of value that was tested previous times. It was tested. So this area is the most important area of value. If we take a look at the previous data, this area was once support and it was once resistance. So it is a most important area, and it was tested, and it rejected all the times. So now the market came back to that area. So now we're gonna go to another lower time frame, 30 minutes. So I basically trade on 15 minutes. So I look at all the time frames from the higher time frame and then check whether what I saw it's in confluence with everything. So now I see that the market is exactly at that area. So I'm gonna go to my time frame where I place trades. So coming back to my time frame that I place trades at, so I did this. Here I set up my line of the low, and I set up my line of the high. So I know that price will play in this area. I know that price will play in this area if possible. And then I know if price doesn't play in that area and then it breaks out, it's gonna go down. And if it breaks up, it's gonna go up. So already I've got my plan set for this market. What I looked for also is the pattern that I saw. So connecting this high and this lower high, connecting this low and this lower high. So basically what happened is a wedge. I got a wedge now, and looking at it now, we see here the market is breaking to the upside. So what we're gonna do is hold until market hits this level, and from this level we're gonna wait to see if the market bounce back, because of we are in a downtrend from this market. As we see, we're making lower lows, so we're in a downtrend. But if market comes to my area and then bounce back, or market breaks this area, retest it, and then we continue with the trend. So it's basically what I'm looking at. So but at the moment we're in a good trade. It's just as simple as that, guys. You set your rules, you follow them, you execute at the right time. So for me it was as simple as that. So I entered at the break of the candle of the wedge, so it gives me an early entry. I know market might push, come back and test the wedge before shooting to the upside. It's possibilities. So when that happens, I'm adding more positions from this area, because market might just shoot up without the retest. So I'm already in the trade. I know that I'm safe because of I have my stop loss below the low. So if market comes back and break this low, I know that my setup is invalid. I exit the market. So guys, it's as simple as that. Yeah, let's just follow our rules, and let's just trade, guys, with the open mindset and open view of what the market gives you. Don't go with your feelings of what you feel like the market will do. Just go with what the market does, the price action, the things that are common that the market is giving you. It's going to be price action. You look at price action, you look for price patterns, you look for market condition, you look for knowing the trend, then you set your rules according to your abilities. Where I said you are an intraday trader, or you are a trend trader, or you decide. But then as for me, as an intraday trader, I trade on 15 minutes because it gives me more opportunities to get into trades and to get out of trades, in a short period of time, but maximizing my profits. As we look at this as we look at this trade, is a 2-to-1 risk ratio. Let me teach you how to do it. If you check from my entry point to my stop loss, is 67 pips, and then if you check, it's gonna be 67 pips times 2 already. I'm up there at 150. So it's as easy as that, guys. It's as easy as that. So my risk to reward is higher than my losses. So if I win this trade, I'm gaining 2 times what I would have lost. So yeah, guys, it's just simple as that. Use your ATR to guide you. As you can see down there, each and every candle moves 33 pips, hence I'm putting 66 pips for my stop loss, because I know it's two times the candle. So it's for my stop loss to get hit, it's gonna take 2 hours. Not 2 hours, an hour for my stop loss to get hit, and then it can take about 2 hours for my TP to get hit. So with the ATR already tells me what to expect in the market in an hour or in 2 hours. So I cannot just check my charts all the times, every minute, every second. No, I'm gonna come back in an hour to check if the stop loss has hit or not, or I'm gonna come back in 2 hours to check whether the market has respected my setup and hit the TP, and then I'm looking for another possible scenarios or possible opportunities to get into the market. Like I said, I'm going to look for a bounce here, or I'm going to look for a break and retest here, and then that's it. So it's intraday trading, guys. If you are intraday trading, you're going to have to look for such setups, and then yeah, that's it, guys. It's the MkVixMaster here signing out. I hope this information helped you. Please like, subscribe, hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button, and share this video with others so that it can help them with this valuable information, guys. Thank you. MkVixMaster signing out.